So we are live. What's up, everybody? Good evening and welcome to MEXC. It's another week and it's time for us to rise and shine. Today's topic is focused around the advantages of trading leveraged ETFs over sports or derivative markets. The advantage. Today's topic is on how to maximize profits from trading leveraged ETFs. So the first one I read there was the topic for tomorrow. So how to maximize profits from trading leveraged ETFs. That's what we'll be looking at today. So let's give it some time so that others can join us. And please share the link. And if my screen is not very clear on your side, just tap on your screen. You will see the setting button where uh, you can adjust your settings, your video quality so that it can be higher than what you have now. So if you are with me, let's say hi. I'm glad to have you all. So let's use the live chat. Let's chat here. Stay active on the live chat to qualify for the giveaway. Please keep sharing the link. So just in case you haven't signed up on MEXC yet, please make sure you sign up. Sign up with the affiliate link on the description. Just click on the description, you'll see my affiliate link, and you can sign up with my link so that you'll be qualified to receive some bonus on MEXC. So I'm just giving it some time so that we can have more people join us. So maybe when it is 5 minutes into the hour, we are going to start discussing some of these key points. So if you're a new user to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Okay, it's time for us to go in now. So the last time that I was here, we refreshed this crypto news section Like I said, to read some of the news, some of the important news in the market, we just go to Google and search for crypto news, and that would bring us to some of the hottest news in the market and some of the latest information that is out here in the market, so that we can have a view of what is happening, where we need to put our money, why we need to currently trade cryptocurrency, which action are we to take, are we to long or short, are we to sell or hold stable currencies. So that's the essence of reading news, so that you stay updated, you don't stay out of information. Information is power, and the more accurate information you consume, you analyze and consume actually, the more efficient you will become and powerful you become, of course, because you will be able to take some powerful decisions based on some of the information that you have. So looking at this, I think when we started doing this live stream, FTX was causing a big food in the market and things wasn't going through truly well with investors. And when we opened this section, like top 10 news here was all about food, food, food everywhere. But this time around, there's some quite interesting news which we would like to look at. The first one here is not very interesting, but it's about how does FTX collapse affect Dubai crypto ecosystem. They might have a lot of investors who were based in Dubai, so this their collapse could actually affect their ecosystem, and you might want to view this. Click on the news. If you search this on your browser, you might want to view this by clicking on it to read the full news. The next one on the headline is a 3.2 million crypto scam. Wow, that's also another bad news. Dismantled by UK cybercrime unit. Oh wow, it's not a bad news, it's actually good news. So a 3.2 million crypto scam dismantled by UK cybercrime unit. So these guys were able to retract the money that was being stolen by scammers recently, and that's a very serious James Bond move. Batman and Superman move to recover the money that was being stolen to the owners, and this is being recovered. This is actually something very good for the ecosystem, so that we can always apprehend these scammers and take them out of the market. I think I'm having a lot of network issues here because, yeah, I'm having a lot of network issues because my video is buffering. So if you're experiencing a little bit of network issues, please try and bear with me. So going down again, another exchange here, Bybit, just announced that they are having a 100 million fund RAW to support institutional clients. So if you are an institutional investor like banks, companies, or whatever you do, and you are interested in crypto, you might want to check out Bybit and this offer more of the details. Or you have some people in these big institutions that wants to come into crypto. There is a 100 million fund from Bybit to support them. Uh, my 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 OBS is actually shooting at a very low quality right now. The network is not fast. So okay, and the next topic is on crypto savings accounts. What are they worth, and what are they worth it? And also the next one is Bitcoin price and Ethereum to gain support. This is price analysis. So these are all interesting news. They are all interesting news in my opinion. Honestly, they are all interesting news. You might want to read it out to just stay updated. Don't stay out of information. Also check out your Twitter page. Check out Twitter so that you also find some very interesting information from different sources or crypto influencers that might have some valuable information for you to read. Check out what Boom is posting, reposting a video from Bloomberg, and I think uh, CZ made a tweet this morning. CZ made a tweet this morning where he said he's a Canadian, a Chinese, he's a Canadian. Yeah, like he was declaring that Binance is not a Chinese exchange because of his look, and people judge him based on that. If I open this volume, you hear what he's saying. So Binance is not a, a Chinese exchange, that is Canadian, and he went live on Bloomberg to say this. And after saying this, El Jabboum, who is actually a crypto influencer, said, I like the fact that CZ said he's Canadian, but he looks Chinese. To be honest, all this time I thought he was Nigerian. How would this guy look like Nigerian? CZ actually made a tweet and said he's Nigerian by love, like he loves Nigerians. And I think I also made a comment here. I think I also made a comment where CZ replied. CZ replied and he said he's Nigerian by love. And also, some people came to give their opinion, like Crypto DeFi Lord, who is also a Nigerian crypto influencer, said by the power vested on me, your Nigerian name is now Chinedu, and your wife is waiting for you. What a joke. uh, so I actually countered that. I think some people actually agreed or disagreed with what my own opinion or what I said about CZ's Nigerian name. Because this guy is following a lot of Nigerian on in crypto. If you check out, I have some Nigerian friends that is following. You can see all these guys. These are not. There are some of my friends which CZ is following. Nigerian friends which CZ is following. He's not following me yet. Over time, I hope he does, because it actually a very big boost to your crypto profile if you have someone like CZ following you. I wish for that someday. I'm a lover of Binance. That's the way I used to trade before other exchanges decided to give me a good offer. Okay, so that is just it on crypto news. Check out your check out the bullish news that is happening in the ecosystem. You might want to check out this guy's profile, CZ. CZ is actually someone who is quite influential in the crypto ecosystem. So you, he makes some very cool tweets, which we are going to look at right now. But before that, let me confirm my live stream is smooth, because network over here is not very friendly. So you might be experiencing some buffering. You might be experiencing a little bit of buffering because of my quality of network. Ah, oh my God. There is nothing I can really do right now to improve the quality of this network. Okay. So I think we have an excellent connection now. Ah, thank God. I've been struggling with this. So the connection is now excellent, and OBS is, yeah, OBX is on green right now. So thank God. Let's keep it up, and thank God this the lagging was only happening when we're talking about uh, the news. So I think I'm done with most part of the news that we need to look at. Check out this guy. He just made it a very interesting tweet. There are other influencers in the ecosystem that can actually make uh, things move in the market and positive news. Currently, we are consolidating. There are not much big, big positive news or negative news. So the only thing we are watching right now is what is going to happen next. And the big guys are saying, "Don't worry, everything is going to be alright." And CZ is really backing stuff like this. CEO of Trondao and the president of El Salvador, they are all backing stuff like this. So Caesar brought attracted a lot of Nigerians to these tweets where they were making some very funny Nigerian comments here. Yeah. So also here is Elon Musk with his interesting $8 fight on Twitter. think he just made another reply to somebody. And also, I heard some rumors. I read some news, which seemed to be some rumor about Sam, the former CEO of FTX, to have 100 million investment in Elon Musk's Twitter. So, what do we think? He has an investment worth 100 million in Elon Musk's Twitter. So, what do we think? What do we think is going to happen with that kind of investment? And recently, he has been accused of paying some media outlets to just kind of paint what he has been doing in the ecosystem, try to paint him cool and try to paint him innocent because I think his image has been really soiled by a lot of media platforms. So I think he's trying to pay them to rearrange things for him again. So these news are quite interesting. Check out, do your news, read your news properly. And now going over to the main topic of today, which is how to maximize profit trading leverage ETFs. Let's move over to MEXC exchange, one of my most favorite exchange at this point. So this is MEXC. MEXC rebranded to from green color to blue color, and everything is looking good now. And MEXC have a lot of events going on, especially with this World Cup event that is happening. MEXC World Cup 2022 Futures Trading Competition. So this is only for futures traders. It's not like I discriminate other trading activities. Futures, ETA, whatever you want to do is very okay for you to do depending on what you want to do. But what you need to know is the risks involved. Try to understand the risks involved in what you are doing. Futures has its own risks, which I would say is higher than the risks involved in leveraged ETFs, and also higher than the risks involved in sports. And also, it has advantage because where there is high risk, there is always a probability for you to have high profits. So that's what I'm talking about here. So there are a lot of events here. If you check out announcement, there are new announcements, and this other side is for events. This side is for events, Black Friday. There are things happening that you shouldn't miss out. So check out like this Black Friday giveaways. What is it about? At least this is giveaway. So you can check out Black Friday giveaways. If you don't have an MEXC account, please check the description below. You'll see an affiliate link where you can sign up and join MEXC. So because for you to win the giveaway, you are going to need an MEXC account to receive the giveaway, which I will be giving out after the live stream. So Black Friday giveaway, MEXC is doing something worth 10,000 dollars in BTC up for grabs. So I think that Friday is today, 25th. We launch special events with the price pool of 10,000 US dollars. So if to register, you click here. I would love to register, of course. Oh, it's a long process. Okay, it's not really long. Just put your MEXC UID and then you are in. So let me see how I can get my UID so that I participate in this event. So if you are interested in participating in this event, all you just have to do is get your MEXC UID. Mine is let me see if I can get mine. It should be here, the exchange platform. You just have to be logged in. So my UID is my user identification number, which I will use to enter into that giveaway. So I'll come to my profile. This is my UID. You just click here. I think it's copied successful. So I just need to join by inputting my UID. So read out all the instructions so that during event 200 new users will be randomly selected. Wow, I'm not a new user. So if you are new to MEXC, this is an opportunity for you. So 200 new users will be randomly selected for those who complete the following tasks to share $3,000 worth of BTC. Okay, 3,000 is just for new users. Complete registration and reach a minimum spot trading volume of $300. during the event period. So if you have 300 USDT, man, this is an opportunity for you to grab something. Have a minimum balance of 100 USDT. So you can deposit 100 USDT. Let me teach you how you can win or participate in this contest. Deposit 110 USDT. I recommend 110, 105, anything in the MEXC spot account. When you do that, you buy a crypto, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. When they say reach a minimum spot trading volume, when we say volume, it means the sum of your buy and your sell. So if you buy now $100, sell $100, buy again $100. That's 100 plus 100, buy plus sell plus buy plus sell. You can make up to $400. So you need to have this minimum, and you know your chances will be higher when you have something higher than $300. So that means you can deposit more than $100 or still deposit just $100. You keep on trading, but their trading fees, don't be so excited because this $100 will be dropping by pieces based on that trading fee, and you would have a chance to win prizes. So have a minimum of 100 USDT in your spot account. So that's why I said have at least 110, so that when you are doing these conversions, you still have $100 left. You get what I mean? You still have $100 left after those small fees are being charged. So refer a friend to win 7,000 BTC. Inviters can share. Would I have that strength? So invite friends via their invitation link. Friends they invite complete registration, reach a minimum sports trading. So, this is actually important. For you to also help me win, please make sure if you sign up with my affiliate link, try and deposit the 100 USDT and make up to this trading volume. I just shared you a tip on how to make up the trading volume, even if you don't have 200 USDT. Make up this trading volume at least, so that I'll be among the winners that will take part in this. So among the inviters who have at least 3 successful invites, 12. Okay, I need to have at least 3. So I have people here now. You guys are here with me. So 3 successful inviters, 12 lucky users will be randomly selected to get a chance of buying up to 500 BTC at a 50% discount. Wow, I'm ready for this though. I'm ready for this. People should give me an opportunity to buy $1,000 worth of BTC in $500. That is cool. So I'm joining this summit. Make sure you guys back me up by, you know, referring, joining to trade. So I just joined that. Just join that. Please, if you're a new user, deposit and trade, deposit and trade. I'm going to need your help. So okay, next one is so this were just events. I was going through the event side. So when you come to your exchange, this place you are seeing here, futures leaderboard. I don't really trade futures like I trade ETF. So futures leaderboard, weekly futures events. These futures guys, they really have a lot of events, man. They are quite annoying. So we had the ETF events. We had the ETF events. Well, I have to talk to the MEXC ETF team. We need to have more of these ETF events. Let's get our own ETF community to trade and also win reward. It's not only for futures guys. What's up, man? We need to win some stuff. So okay, when you come on to MEXC, if you are just signing up as a new user, this place shows you some of the hottest crypto where you see their high volume. And this side, you can see the new crypto that has just been listed and their performance. Top volume, cryptos that have the highest volume of trade. This one has, in the last 24 hours on MEXC, they have traded over 301 million USDT. In futures, top on futures market, top cryptocurrencies in the futures market is this one here. And the next one is the top gainers. Top gainers are just people that the 24-hour change is quite high. And you can see this one has 115% change in the last 24 hours and so on. So you can click more to see more. So that just helps you to understand this homepage. You don't get confused. This is more like a marketing if you are very new to understand why you should use MEXC. It's your desktop mobile view and communities here. So if you are interested in joining the communities, you can follow Twitter, any Twitter community that is connected to you. You can join the MEXC Derivative Philippines. There are a bunch here, and I don't see Nigeria there, but I think there's a Nigerian community which I am also an admin there. But they will not. They will add that later here on Telegram. I think it's all over. Okay. So when you are interested in ETF, try and join the MEXC ETF community here. If you're interested in futures, you can also join this. So anyone that is quite easy for you to join, you can join the English channel. Make sure you join all these channels because I'm pretty sure most of us here make use of Telegram. Try and join their communities, follow them on Twitter, follow the main official global exchange, and so on. This is LinkedIn page, Discord. Discord is always vibrant. I'm active sometimes on Discord. So join on Discord, Reddit, CoinMarketCap community, and I'll use this opportunity to ask you to uh, find MX token on CoinMarketCap. MX token, give us a thumbs up. Yeah, this is a token of the MEXC exchange. So when you come to CoinMarketCap, you can sign in to discuss, vote MEXC MX token as bullish over here, support MEXC on CoinMarketCap, let it get seen by other users and investors. So okay, moving on, moving on to the interesting topic on how to maximize profit trading leverage ETF. So now that I have a handful of you, now I have a handful of viewers watching right now, I am going to share the tips on how uh, to maximize profit from trading leverage ETF. We are going to do it in real time where I'm going to place some trades. The first thing you need to do when trading any cryptocurrency, whether you are trading the spot market, the futures market, or the ETF market, one of the most important things that you need to do is to make sure that you do your analysis and research very well. You have different kind of analysis which you can do, and it involves the fundamental analysis and it also involves the technical analysis. So fundamental analysis, I shared some news websites. You can use Google, you can use events websites like CoinMarketCal, use Google, use Lunar Crush, and use other platforms to read important news first on any cryptocurrency that you are interested. So once you are done with your analysis, even CoinMarketCap can be very resourceful on that too. Once you are done with your analysis, you come to MEXC, click on the market section because that's the side which you're actually interested. Markets. So in the market section, we have different categories. We have the spot market, which is quite different from margin and different from ETF and futures. So spot is quite popular as much as futures, but MEXC ETF, leverage ETF is also popular. And we call it leverage ETF because of the factors here, the number factor like 3L and 3S. On my other live stream, if you check uh, the channel, the live section, you see some of my live stream. The very first live stream, I explain what all this means, the 3L and 3S. So you might want to check that out, watch the video, and educate yourself on what this asset means. So when you do that, to maximize your profit. Last live stream, I showed you strategies on how to become successful, and now how do you maximize this profit? So after doing your analysis, if you enter into a trade and you make profit, the first thing you need to do is to take your profit and don't be greedy. You know, ETF market is actually very unstable sometimes because if the price is approaching zero, you shouldn't be taking that kind of risk. So if you are buying EOS 3S, that means you are predicting that the price of EOS is going to go down. So make sure you don't do your analysis live on the EOS chart, EOS ETF chart. This is the EOS ETF chart. You don't do your technical analysis to find your entry points and your closing points on the chart itself. You do it on the assets. Let's go back to the asset. The asset is EOS. So what you are going to do is to find EOS in the spot market first. Do your technical analysis on EOS on the spot market. So I'm just going to use the search button, search for EOS. EOS means exponential operating system. So when you come to EOS website, sorry, the EOS coin on the normal market, you see that the real price is about 0.9. This is on the spot market, where you can buy real EOS assets on the spot market. So the real price is this, and this will help you do analysis. Now you can, I'm using EOS as an example. You can come to CoinMarketCap, look for the keyword EOS, check out. EOS is actually a very lame coin because there's not much happening with EOS. So I'm interested in the top 300 coins. So exchanges, of course, MEXC, only MEXC exchange trade coin that is what I want to use. And you can find out, I think I should be interested in all of them, all categories, sort by last added. So once I am done with these parameters, I can search in my other videos. Try and watch out my live stream and many others. You see that I have some uh, I have some education content on how to use CoinMarketCap in some of those videos. So make sure you read that and watch those videos so that you understand how to use this platform and how I was able to calibrate this. So you can calibrate even your dates. And this based on the one that has been added latest. So they have fireside chats. They're doing a bunch of fireside chats. There is no big event here that can actually make the market move up for years. The cover portal is just a bunch of boring events. Wow, they want to launch EVM launch. Was this real or did it actually happen? Q3 of 2023, 2022, because we are past September, we are now in October. And I didn't see anything like EOS launching an EVM platform. EVM is an Ethereum virtual machine. So if this was successful, it would have made the price of EOS to move up. But then they didn't launch an EVM. Telos launched an EVM, but they didn't launch an EVM on EOS. So let me see where the source is from. Oh, it's not from the official EOS page. It's just one of the members of EOS. And they are looking into EOS having an EVM compatible chain right now. hmm So they are now opening their eyes. CEOs of EOS N Foundation, EOS Network Foundation. Ooh. So this could be official, and they are looking into doing that. But not everybody that used to fulfill their roadmap. So I guess that wasn't fulfilled. Maybe there's something I'm missing out. So if you check out, EOS doesn't really have a lot of interesting information for you to trade. Yeah, so this is uh, November. Yeah, it's just a bunch of fireside chats which might not move things in the market. So it might not be the favorite asset for us to trade right now because that is very random. You need to find a coin which is listed on MEXC. Let's check, claim this keyword EOS out, and then search again. Let's see if we have any other cryptocurrency which is quite interesting listed on MEXC. Top 300 coin, quite interesting. Listed on MEXC with a nice event. So I can filter and find out the ones I call nice events, like airdrops and snapshot and nice events. White paper update, fork or swap and nice event. Exchange listing and nice events. Integration, staking and farming, integration, updating a roadmap to put something cool. Of course, tokenomics are all nice events. So once I have all these items selected, I can now filter again. So when I filter, I can see Lunar Classic. They have begun their vesting events. There is this other one, Dexy, Ragzy, and make sure the ones you are checking out for, all of them, they're actually listed on the spot market. You get? They're all listed on the spot market, but make sure the one you're checking out for is actually listed on the ETF market so that you would have a chance to buy it. So, okay, let's go back from here. Let's check ETF assets because they are quite a lot. So, they are quite a lot. If among all these ETF assets, there is about 34 pages ETF asset listed here. So if you find one of them having a very interesting news here, which I haven't seen yet, so that is where you spend your time doing research to search for the coin. Oh, all these ones are 17 November, so you can calibrate the date again. Calibrate the date. So I think there's a okay, this is just for past events. So you can calibrate this to upcoming events. There are no upcoming events. There are no serious events. So I need to check the upcoming event. This is loading. So once it loads, I'm going to see the upcoming event, which is actually what I'm interested in, because upcoming event is something that can push the market. Actually, what do you call it? Past events can actually move the market, but it needs to be an event which a new upcoming event will be able to trigger. So upcoming event which I'm interested in, can select top 300 coins, select which exchange, MEXC, MEXC. MEXC is one exchange which I am known to be doing a lot of rebranding. It started in 2018 called MEXC, but now today they are MEXC Global. They have changed from green to blue. Their UI is now very cool compared to 2018. Branding, exchange, new release, integration, staking farming, roadmap updates, tokenomics. So I'm selecting 90. So select by last added, so that the reason why I'm using sort by last added is because I want to be one of the earliest accessors of this information. I want to be among those that are going to access this information. So don't forget that Data is still going to do their mainnet launch. They have up to 1,390 something. Wow, this is quite hot, significant and trading. They are going to do their mainnet launch on the 1st of December. So getting close to that period is something I mentioned this during my last live stream. It's something that we should try and buy a Theta token, even in the spot market, and also try to buy it, maximize the profit on ETF market. So let's see, staking launch, beta release, 13 December. These ones are all upcoming events. Baby Dodge. Let's see, is Baby Dodge listed on ETF market? I don't know that until I find out by searching. So I can just come here, find Baby Dodge. Wow. Okay, I don't know. That's spot market. It is not here. So this information can also be useful for trading spot market. So let's find the one that is connected to the ETF market. We keep finding staking V1 launch. So this is for Chainlink. Chainlink is gonna have this event happen on the 6th of December, shortly before my birthday, which is on the 7th of December. So let's go back to MEXC exchange and see if we can find Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink should be a coin on ETF market. So we can choose which of them we want to trade. Is it Chainlink 3L or Chainlink 3S? Now this coin market cap actually shows you bullish information, not actually bearish information. Bearish information. But blogs and news websites can help you find out bearish information too. So these guys are just going to tell you the bullish information which is coming up on the market here. And look at this Chainlink staking 0.1 happening. Chainlink launches taking 0.1 early access on Ethereum mainnet. So you are going to the investors will definitely buy a lot of Chainlink to participate during this taking 0.1. So you check out the source. So this is a proof that it's coming from Chainlink official page. So once you find that, you can take that as a tip, add that to your watch list if you don't want to trade it right away. So find another ETF listed asset that can be on your watch list. Let's see which one here. EOS, EOS again. HyperDAO deployments. Do they actually keep to their promise? EOS, they have a lot of events on the 31st of December. So this could be a good time to trade EOS also around this region because they have a lot of events that are happening. So if the market is even bullish during that time and EOS has all these events happening on the 31st of December. So prior to that time, you should be smart enough to buy because early to buy, the better for you to make profit. So you buy early, and when this event starts impacting on the prices, you will be making profit. And imagine somebody was trading EOS 3L on the ETF market. You are definitely going to maximize your profit using leverage ETF. So you place that trade, analyze the charts with on the spot market for EOS to find your entry points, which is actually 1 month away from now. 31st is more like 35 days away from now. Analyze your spot market, find your entry points close to that time, and then buy in and hope for bad news like FTX crash not to hit the market again, because after your cool analysis on positive news, FTX crash or stuff like that comes in again, it's going to hit you really bad and you're going to make losses. So there are some things that we cannot control. There are some things that are impacted by the market itself. We can't control. So always watch out, because knowing that the market is not in your hands, uh, this kind of thing is something you should watch out for. My network is on my network is on hype mode again. I pray it doesn't end my stream, because sometimes when the network is pretty bad, it can end my stream. So you'll be experiencing a little bit of lagging. Let's hope this turns out cool. So maximizing your profits involves setting out to assess the news first. Being among the early assessors of any cryptocurrency news that is available there in the market is one of the ways to maximize it. Verify your news by analyzing what you are reading, verify the news, and then take action before others. Try and take the risk to take action before the others. Once you have verified that your news is correct, take action and then take profit. Well, it's very important to take profit when you see your profit. So take profits and leave the market. Don't stay there for a very long time. So trading a futures market is actually good, because you can make profits from it, and the risk rate is not very high like it is on the futures market. But ETF market is also very cool to trade ETF market, because if you are supposed to be making $100 from futures market, you are going to be making 3 times of that, depending on your leverage. If you are using a 3x leverage, a 3x leverage, or 2x leverage, 5x leverage, as the name implies, that prefix is going to multiply your profit, and that's where you make reward. So you go to your sports market and do your analysis over there, because the chart here is not going to give you the correct entry point. The chart here on the BTC 3 is not going to give you the correct entry point. So you do your analysis here and replicate or represent what you just analyzed over here, so that you determine your entry point and your exit point. So once you calculate all that points and you know where to exit the market, you are going to place that on the ETF chart and take your action and of course your profit. So when you do your analysis on analysis websites like CoinCheckup, CoinMarketCap, and CoinMarketCap, and you find adequate news that can help you place a trade, you come here and place your trade. So these are just the basic tips on how you can use these strategies to maximize your profit trading leverage ETF on MEXC. So please, if you haven't signed up on MEXC, I keep saying this, please sign up. Use my affiliate link, it's available. It's available. If you don't sign up with my affiliate link, you'll not be qualified for reward. I'm not even joking. So sign up on with my affiliate link, deposit and try out some of these things which I am telling you guys, because it's actually worth the risks. Trading is actually worth the risks. And when you know what you're doing, you are going to make profit. So it's very necessary you come to my live stream like this, where you get tips and updates on some trading strategies that you can use to survive inside the market. So that event which I joined, if you're a new user, please try and join. And when you join, what you're going to do is click on deposits. When you click on deposits, you select which network of USDT you want to send. Whether you have your USDT on Tron chain, on Omni chain, BEP20, all the options are available. Most of these options are available, so you can select anyone. So you want to use Binance Smart Chain, they're going to give you an address which will use this as a public address to deposit your USDT on Binance and on what do we call this, on a MEXC exchange. So let's see, and here you can also see your deposit and withdrawal, your withdrawal this thing recent. Okay, this is for deposit, so you can also calibrate that for recent withdrawals so that you see what is happening in your wallet, and make sure you ensure that this you are sending from the right chain. If you send through the wrong chain, you are going to lose your money, so always make sure you do it properly. Or on your history side, you see your deposit withdrawals and all that. So when you have that USDT, which is going to show up on your balance right now, my USDT is not currently on my balance because I have it on my futures account, which I'm currently using to join a trade and using a margin of 78, losing $8 at this point. That's not cool. So if the market decide to go in my direction, it will definitely give me more profit than what I'm seeing now. So there will be some winning days for me. So I don't want to transfer that money out here, and I don't want to sell any crypto token in my spot account. Let me see. So if I have USDT, what I'm supposed to do is that contest which I showed you guys to give away on this Black Friday. You deposit $110, you buy Bitcoin, you sell Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, you sell Bitcoin. Just keep trading Bitcoin. Trade Bitcoin as much as you can to raise your trading volume, and then you'll be qualified to share in that reward pool. It's very straightforward and simple. So those are just tips that you can use, and you'll be selected among the winners. It's just for you to try your lucky chance because there might be other winners with higher volume than you, and they will definitely have a chance to win. So if you don't win, don't feel too bad because there's always another chance for you to try. All you just need to have is funds on your MEXC account and then protect it with two-factor authentication and try out all these events. Please don't be too greedy. Like I said, greed is actually one thing that can push you to lose your money. So when you are coming in to participate in all these events, especially the ones that happens on futures, try to be less greedy so that you don't lose your money, because when you are seeing profit, you can't take the profit, or you are losing money, you are trading aggressively against your losses, and all those actions that can push you to lose your money are the things you should try to avoid. Control your emotions. Enter trade with any amount of money that you can afford to lose. Don't enter with what you can afford to lose. But if the market is quite interesting and you feel you can enter the market with amount of money that you can afford to lose, then it's okay. Try it out. But make sure you use your stop loss, because that is where it will be important to guard money that you can afford to lose. Make sure you use stop loss on money that you can't afford to lose. I wouldn't say that anymore because I've really been emphasizing some things, and we should try and adopt to this. Uh, so I think network was kind of buffering, but now my connection is excellent. Yeah, connection is excellent. So please try and have $110 on your MEXC account and try out this thing. If you don't have it today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, you will try it out. Please money, find some money and join MEXC, deposit, and try out some of these events. Try out, they are worth trying out. It's still your money, not like you're going to deposit and give it to MEXC. But when you deposit and then you don't make the right trading decisions, that is when you are going to lose money. So make sure when you deposit, you try out some of these events, trade, make profits, and then your money is still going to be there with you. Your capital is still going to be there because it's more, trading is more like a business. So you are going to try with your capital, still make profit. You can deposit $110 today, and then you are still going to make profit worth $200, and you have a total balance of over $300. You get what I mean? So you can have a total balance of $300, and that means that you have 3x your returns. Yeah, I know. So if that $110 is actually too high, for some of you to join. You can join with $10. There are actually some events. If you're among the active people in this live chat and they have some events going on MEXC, when you win with your $10 or whatever distribution you are going to get, you can participate in some of these new user events that doesn't need a very high volume. Some of the new users events might need you to trade to a trading volume of $100. So you can use your $10, trade 10 times, and then you reach the trading volume. But make sure you make profits so that you can withdraw at least more than $10. Because if you try to swap $10 10 times, you are going to generate volume, but they will charge you fees for doing that. The charging you fees is going to reduce your $10 to somewhere around 9 point something dollars, or if not $8. But I'm pretty sure it's going to reduce to $9. So you can start trading, learn more. If you are really interested, you can send me a message on Telegram. My Telegram username is to chat with me on Telegram. I would give you some tips on how to trade. Affiliate link, please check the description below. Click on this video, you'll see the description. View more, you'll see the affiliate link. You sign up, and it's also pinned here. The affiliate link is pinned on the chat. So in case you're not seeing it, just click on this affiliate link and sign up. Without signing up with my affiliate link, you're not going to receive the reward, the $10 reward that will be distributed to the active users. So sign up with my affiliate link. And for those of you who have signed up, you have not been trading. Trading is actually something you should be doing, no matter what you're doing in Web3. Trading is, although you shouldn't trade every day, because one of the trading ethics is don't overtrade. If you don't overtrade, which is actually one of the most important trading ethics, it is something, if you don't overtrade, I got distracted. So if you don't overtrade, you have a chance to make a profit and avoid losses. So don't overtrade. Do some other things in Web3. You can join communities, manage communities, you can develop products, you can design, you can do whatever you can do with your hard skill in Web3. And when you do that, also find out time to come on exchanges like MEXC. Deposit your USDT or whatever you have and start trading. So someone is talking about doing a contribution. Yeah, you can. You know the risks involved in that. So you can start a hedge fund account where you people will join money and try to trade and compete in some of these events that are happening on MEXC. It's actually something you can. Yeah, you shouldn't trade every day. There are people called day traders. Before you trade every day, you should be a very good trader. For beginners, I wouldn't recommend trading every day because it's quite risky. But if you really want to do that for the sake of practice, do it with money that you can afford to lose. Don't do it with money that you cannot afford to lose, because if you try it out with money that you cannot afford to lose, you are definitely going to lose the money at the end of the day. So do it with money that you can afford to lose, which is actually the first thing. And you want to practice, if you want to trade every day and you know that you can lose $10 or $20, $50, try trading with 10, 20, $50 every day. And then you are going to see how efficient you become with your analysis, like technical analysis, fundamental analysis, all kinds of analysis that you want to do. So when you do all these things, you are going to have a chance to uh, improve yourself and also make profit in the process. Because if you're actually improving, you should be making profits. So thank you for all of you that have just signed up with my affiliate link. I'm very grateful. But you don't just sign up for the sake of giveaway. Sign up, deposit, and trade, because that is actually the main essence of signing up. Yeah, I do drop signals. So if you're interested in my signals, there is no copy trading for ETF yet. So if you're interested in my signals, you can DM me on Telegram. I think I shared my username already with Empato. So message me on Telegram. So the live stream has lasted for a while. Let's go over to Twitter. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of things that is quite interesting happening on Twitter right now. Check out some profiles. What is going on in the ecosystem? Elon Musk is busy catching his cruise on Twitter. That guy. So Binance, the CEO of Binance just made a tweet about the same time when we started this live stream. He said in crypto, let's read this out. In crypto, Brian A, that should be Brian Armstrong, and Jesse P says FTX is an overseas exchange problem, even though SBF is American. FTX is an overseas exchange problem, even though FTX is American. I tweeted questions about Coinbase, Grayscale. Brian answered it. Jesse's question, Binance proof of reserve today. We will answer it. I'll view this as healthy checks. So I think they're having a little bit of argument between these three key guys on transparency and accusing overseas problem uh, for being the reason why MEXC is experiencing these issues. Proof of reserve is another consensus which is coming in for centralized exchanges. Proof of reserve so that you don't use customer funds to do things that are not cool. Somebody also made a very funny tweet. I find this funny. It's hard for me to believe this, to be honest. With $5, you can make $1 million. My people, Shebi una don see. With $5, you can make $1 million. So those of you that are complaining about 110 dollars, please try to deposit $5. Start something in crypto. Trading is another thing. When you make some funds trading, you can diversify into staking into DeFi or whatever you want to do in trading. So with all this, you are going to have an opportunity to make money with your $5. Okay, these are some influencers. The Moon Cow. This guy said he would delete his Twitter if Bitcoin doesn't hit $100,000 this year. He said that during the bullish market. I'm thinking about putting 10 BTC into altcoin the next 24 hours. Which one should I choose during this shit event? Okay. Oh, I need to check all these well alerts. Well alerts. These guys just have some quite very interesting news. Is there any well transfer recently? 15 minutes ago, 669 million USDT. Bond at wow, they bond this amount of money. Wow, that's interesting. 60 million USDC is also bond today. A lot of bonding is happening on USDC. And about 78 million was minted as USDC treasury. After all this was minted, they are now burning, burning the old supply, minting new supply. Well Alert has well been tracking transaction on USDC, and another one here on CRV. $34 million as at 1 hour ago transferred from Avi to an unknown wallet. Uh, you can check out some of these well informations because you know well impact this market a lot. So when you know what wells are doing with their money, how they can dump or pump, because governments are not regulating them, you will be able to uh, make profit. So guys, I'll be ending the live stream very soon. And I'm very sure most of you have learned something from what I said during the live stream. If you have questions, you can drop them for me on Telegram or still drop them on the live chat. Drop your questions. Drop your questions if you have questions on Telegram, and I will answer them. So yeah, $5 to $1 million. Believe in yourself. So see you guys during the next live stream. I'm done for tonight. I'll be happy to have you guys tomorrow by 11 a.m. Nigerian time. So please try not to miss out. 11 a.m. Nigerian time. If you don't win today, make sure you win tomorrow. See you later. Bye for now. Good night, everybody. It's 10 p.m. over here at my own time. Good night.